In this video, I will be unleashing my latest 100% free 21-day home workout fat loss challenge. Hey everybody, how you doing? Peter Carvell here. Now for those people who might not have seen this, in the video of my latest belly fat destroyer workout, I have just unleashed the latest 21-day 100% free home workout challenge called the Belly Fat Destroyer Challenge. And you can come and sign up for this right now 100% free at 6weeksixpack.com/BFD. And as always, once you sign up, you will start getting a daily email, and all you have to do for the next 21 days is open that email up, click on the link, and follow the powerful and effective fat burning workout that you will get for that specific day. It's as simple as that, guys. And this latest one is the most effective and most powerful one yet, because if you are a fan, you know that my Belly Fat Destroyer workouts, which is what I'm using for this challenge, is some of my most powerful and most effective home workouts. And in this challenge, I will show you how to use those workouts step by step in the correct order over a 21-day period to get the best possible results. So guys, if you're ready for a tough but effective and a rewarding 21 days and you want to work out right there at home, come and join my latest free challenge at 6weeksixpack.com/BFD. And I decided to launch this right now because this might be your last opportunity to get into amazing shape for summer. So come and join me for 21 days, push hard and get ripped for summer. So once again, you can come and join at 6weeksixpack.com/BFD. It's 100% free, no credit cards, no nonsense. I will see you over there. Bye-bye.